Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our marinade, I've got 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm just going to get a couple of tablespoons of oil in. I'm using just light olive oil, so it doesn't have the not extra virgin. My favorite oil for cooking. And then we just give that a stir. And then I've just got my chicken. I'm using breast fillets, but you can use any protein that you like here that I've just chopped up into strips. So we'll get our chicken in. And this is skin on. I've just left the skin, I've sliced the skin up, so I'll get some little bits of skin in with my meal because it's good for collagen. And then we just want to stir, and it's really up to you. If you've got 20 minutes, it's great to let the chicken marinate. If it's longer than half an hour, then I'd put it in the fridge to marinate. You could leave it to marinate. For chicken, I wouldn't do it for more than 24 hours in advance. But for other meat, 48 hours would be fine. And also, you could do this with, it doesn't have to be meat. If you wanted to marinate tofu, that would be great, or tempeh, or even marinating some chickpeas and then browning them. That can add a really lovely extra layer. So you just want to make sure everything's coated. But if you're really short of time, you can just stir in and then get it straight in the pan. Great. So when our chicken started to cook on the first side, that's literally been a minute. I'm just going to turn it, just keep it moving around the pan until the chicken's nice and brown and cooked through. So depending on how big your pan is, it'll only take a couple of minutes. Great, so when your chicken is cooked, just get it off the heat, and then I've got my hummus, my avocado hummus in the base of my plate, and I'm just going to top with some of the lovely chicken. And if you're not sure about your chicken, you can always cut into it to check. Make sure there's no pink bits. And then I'm just going to put some salad leaves on the side. And finish with, you can use more salad, and or tabbouleh would be really nice with this as well. If you wanted to make some tabbouleh, and then a few pine nuts on top for texture. And we're done. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.